Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are actually doing a bridal makeup. This is my take on it. If I were to get married tomorrow, for example, then this is the makeup look that I would do on myself. You know, it's kind of smoky and sexy. It is, I think it looks very good in my personal opinion. But yeah, if you want to see how I came up with this look, then just keep on watching. I'm taking my Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Primer and I'm placing that on my eyelids and I'm blending it out with my Beauty Blender. Then I'm taking my Maybelline Shine Free Powder and I'm setting that eyeshadow primer. I'm taking my Sleek O Naturel and this shade and I'm placing that in my transition area. Then I'm taking my Kylie bronze palette. I'm taking this medium brown and I'm placing that into my crease. I'm slowly building this color little by little. Then I'm taking my Makeup Revolution I Love Chocolate palette and I'm taking this dark brown and I am again intensifying the outer corner. Again, little by little, just adding this color into my crease and my outer corner. I'm going back into my Sleek palette and I'm taking this orangey shade and I'm just blending out the edges. Going back into my Makeup Revolution palette with this dark brown. Again, I'm just intensifying and building that color into my crease. Taking my first brush and again blending out the edges. Going into the Kylie palette, taking this very dark brown and I'm placing that on the very outer corner of my eye. Going back into the medium brown, I am just blending out the edges. Again, going into my Sleek palette with this orangey shade and I am placing that in my transition area again. I'm taking my Catrice Camouflage Cream Concealer and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. I'm also using my finger to blend out the edges. I'm taking my Maybelline powder and just setting that concealer down. I'm taking my Makeup Revolution palette and I'm using this icy color and I'm placing that on top of that concealer. I'm also using my finger to blend out the edges. Going back into this very dark or brown shade and I am blending out the edges, of course. Same with the Kylie shade. I'm just adding that into the outer corner to intensify this shade. Time for the other eye. I'm taking my Catrice Fresh It Up primer and I'm priming my face. Then I'm taking my Rimmel Lasting Finish foundation and I'm using that as my foundation and I'm putting this on with my sponge. I'm taking my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer and I'm using that to cover any blemishes and to highlight my face. I'm taking the Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer and I'm using that to cover my bags underneath my eyes. And then I'm blending everything out with my Real Techniques sponge. I'm taking my PS Rice Powder and I am setting the concealer underneath my eyes. I'm using my Maybelline Shine Free Powder and I'm using that to set my forehead lines and my smile lines. I'm going back into my Sleek palette and I'm taking this light orange shade and I'm placing that on my lower lash line. Then I'm going into the Makeup Revolution with this dark brown and I'm placing that underneath my lash line as well. I'm going back into the Kylie palette with this very dark brown and again I'm placing that underneath my lower lash line. I'm taking my first brush and I'm just blending everything together. I'm taking my Essence Gel Liner and I am placing that on my waterline and my tight line. Then I'm taking my Essence Super Precise Eyeliner and I'm doing a wing. I'm then taking my Pure Fully Charged Mascara and I'm placing that on my upper lashes as well as my lower lashes. I'm taking my Catrice Prime and Fine contouring palette and I'm contouring the heck out of my face. Then I'm taking my favourite Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and I'm just warming up the skin. I'm taking this Anastasia blush palette in a Pool Party and I'm taking these 2 shades and just blushing up my cheeks. I'm putting these lashes, these are the Penny's 3D Angel lashes. I actually managed to lose them already. Then I'm taking theBalm's Mary Luminizer and I am highlighting my face as well as my nose and my cupid's bow and my chin. Now for the eyebrows, I'm taking the Benefit KaBrow and I am running this through my brow to make them very bushy and very prominent. I am then taking this Catrice Brow Mascara and I am placing that through my brows to set them in place. I'm using the Mary Luminizer highlighter as my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight. I'm then taking the K-Lips Neutral Beauty lip liner and I am overlining my lips and filling them in a little bit as well. Then I'm taking the corresponding liquid lipstick and I'm running that through my on my lips as well. It's a lovely neutral colour. To finish things off, I'm taking my Caudalie Beauty Elixir and I'm setting my face with that. Okay, you guys, that is it. This is my take on a bridal makeup. Like I mentioned at the beginning, if I were to do my bridal or my makeup for my wedding, this is what I would go for. It would suit any eye shape and eye color, and it's, you know, it's just that neutral kind of look with a little bit of glamour with the lashes and of course with that cut crease. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So yeah, thank you again for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!